How to reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. From here, you can choose to reset all your settings, network settings, keyboard, home screen layout, location and privacy and more. From the options, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode over here to proceed. Then, tap on Reset Dictionary to confirm. This will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory defaults. Following these steps, you can easily reset keyboard dictionary on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.